Tired of the 9-to-5 world? Can't seem to earn enough to enjoy the life you want? If you're ready for a better life, where you can call your own shots and there's no glass ceiling, then you need to join our tribe of independent business folks. Do you know people that need money? What could be easier than selling money? If you know people that need money to fix up their home, want to buy an investment property, or just about anything, all you have to do is tell them you have a company that finances businesses, investors, house flippers, and even everyday folks wanting to buy something, like a new boat. Just send them a link that shows that they're your customer and they get everything explained about all the loans they may qualify for. We'll pick it up from there. We'll even sign them up. And when that happens, you're on your way to getting paid. Follow the link below to learn everything you'll want to know with no obligation. Begin your journey to independence. You'll be glad you did.